In this video, I will show you how to create Telegram channel. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open your phone, go and open your Telegram app. After you open your Telegram app, all you have to do now, tap on this pencil icon. As you can see, this little pencil icon, tap on it. After you tap on this pencil icon now, tap on this new channel button. So now as you can see now type in your channel name. I'll just tap on my channel name now. So here is my channel name. Tap on this your channel description. So I'll just type in my channel description. So after you finish typing your channel name and channel description, tap on this camera icon to select image for your channel. So for me, I'll just skip this section. So tap on this save button. So in this section now, it will ask you, do you want to create Telegram private or public channel? So for me, I'll just go with public channel. After you type public channel, so now in this section, it says public link. So now you can create a link for your channel. So I'll just type in just your link for your channel. I'll just type in gurus. So as you can see now, I'll just go and type in my channel link. As you can see, here is my channel link. After you create your channel link, as you can see, like this one, make sure it is available. So tap on this save button. So if you tap on this save button, as you can see now it will ask you to add. As you can see here, it says add people to your channel. So now select the people that you want to add them to your channel. So I'll just tap on this people and select the members for my channel. After you finish selecting members for your channel, now tap on this next arrow. So as you can see now, here is my channel. Now I create my channel. So now you can be able now to send a text for them. So send text for them or send message for them. So now if I tap on this back arrow, as you can see now, here is my channel that I just created. As you can see, here is the channel now. As you can see, here is the channel now that I just created. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.